Hello JPJ Discovery Channel followers. In this video let's talk about Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, and one of the most intriguing worlds in our solar system. The red planet, dry, dusty, and cold. Its surface is a windswept desert, battered by dust storms and freezing temperatures, with barely a hint of moisture in the air. But it wasn't always like this. If we could turn back the clock, Mars would look shockingly different. Billions of years ago, Mars was a water world with massive rivers, sprawling lakes, and maybe even oceans. Imagine a planet with blue skies, clouds, and waves lapping at ancient Martian shores. We see the proof everywhere: ancient river valleys, flood-carved channels, and minerals that could only have formed in water. These features are like fingerprints, left behind by a vanished world. But here's the mystery that keeps scientists up at night. Where did all that water go? How could a planet lose so much so completely? For a long time the main theory was simple. Mars lost its protective magnetic field, its atmosphere thinned, and the water just drifted off into space. Without that shield, solar winds stripped away the air, and water molecules escaped into the void. But a new idea has shaken things up. Recent discoveries have forced scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew about Mars' watery past. In 2024, a team of scientists dug into seismic data from NASA's InSight lander. They listened to the tremors and quakes deep beneath the Martian surface, searching for hidden clues. Their conclusion? There could be a gigantic underground reservoir, trapped deep in the Martian crust. So much water it could cover the whole planet with a layer 1 to 2 kilometers deep. That's a lot of water. If true, it would mean Mars is still a water world, just one with its oceans locked away out of sight. Sounds like case closed, right? Not so fast. Science is rarely that simple, and Mars loves to keep its secrets. In March 2025, scientist Bruce Jakosky threw a major wrench into the theory. He challenged the idea that the seismic signals pointed to liquid water. He argued that the seismic signals could just as easily come from rock filled with solid ice, or even empty pockets, rather than liquid water. The Martian crust is a puzzle, and the pieces don't always fit the way we expect. Basically, the data could mean Mars is hiding an ocean's worth of water, or almost none at all. The evidence is tantalizing but frustratingly ambiguous. And even if Mars is hoarding water deep underground, there's a catch. It's trapped 10 to 20 kilometers below the surface, locked away in tiny cracks. This water isn't in vast underground lakes, but in microscopic pockets, making it incredibly hard to reach. Drilling that deep would be a massive challenge, something even Earth tech struggles with. On Mars, with its harsh conditions and remote location, it's a whole new level of difficulty. For future Mars explorers, that water is basically untouchable, at least for now. The dream of tapping into a hidden Martian ocean remains just out of reach. So, what's the truth? Did Mars's water escape into space, get locked up as ice, soak into minerals, or is it lurking far underground? Or could it be a combination of all these fates, each playing a part in the planet's transformation? Right now the answer is all of the above, and maybe none. The evidence points in every direction, leaving us with more questions than answers. The debate is wide open because the data just isn't clear enough yet. Every new discovery sparks fresh arguments and new theories. But here's why it matters. Wherever that water ended up, it holds the key to Mars's past, and maybe, just maybe, the secret to life beyond Earth. Water is essential for life as we know it, and finding it on Mars could change everything. Every mission, every sample, and every seismic blip brings us closer to the answer. The search for Mars's missing water is a journey of discovery, one that could reshape our understanding of the universe. Mars hasn't given up all its secrets just yet, and that's what makes exploring it so exciting. The next breakthrough could be just around the corner, waiting for us on the red sands of a distant world.